Bam! Wow. Just loving these, man.
Hello?
Okay, are you there?
Yeah. Oh my God.
So what do you think? You want me to keep it like this?
I've never seen you with dark hair, so that's pretty interesting.
Honey, you've really never seen me with hair. Or a lot of it. Yeah, there's a man bun under here. It's kind of crazy. All the babes around here are like digging on me. She's gone. I'll just send her the big heart and it's all good. The swag.